students. Today we will solve exercise 3.4 of standard 10th NCERT math. In question number 1, solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. Here you have to solve all parts of question number 1 by two methods. In first part, equations are x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Here first we solve it by elimination method. So here elimination method, the question number 1 is x plus y equal to 5 and equation number 2 is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So here for elimination method we have to make any one variable which is equal in both. So here in second equation, here is 2x minus 3y, but in first equation here is only x. So here in equation 1 we multiply by 2. So equation 1 into 2, that will give here 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now the coefficient of x are same here in equation 2 and it. So here we subtract it. So on subtracting we get here 2x cancel out, here minus 3y, here it is plus 2y will be minus 2y, so it is minus 5y, that is equal to 4 minus 10, which is equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus, so here y equal to 6 upon 5. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we have x plus 6 upon 5, that is equal to 5. So x equal to 5 minus 6 upon 5, which is equal to 25 minus 6 upon 5, that is equal to 19 upon 5. So here x equal to 19 upon 5 and y equal to 6 upon 5 is the solution of the equation. Now we have to solve it by substitution method, which we have learned in earlier exercise 3.3. So here we follow the same method. Here x plus y equal to 5, equation number 1, 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we have y equal to 5 minus x. Substituting this value in equation 2, we have 2x minus 3 into 5 minus x, that is equal to 4. So here 2x minus 15 plus 3x equal to 4. So 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to 4 plus 15, that is equal to 19. So x equal to 19 upon 5. Now putting the value of x equal to 19 upon 5 in equation 1, we have 19 upon 5 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5, that is equal to 25 minus 19, 6 upon 5. So here x equal to 19 upon 5 and y equal to 6 upon 5, which is the same solution by both the method. In second part, equations are 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Now for elimination method, 3x plus 4y equal to 10, equation number 1, and 2x minus 2y equal to 2, equation number 2. Here we make the coefficient of y equal. So here in equation 2 we multiply by 2. So here we get 4x minus 4y equal to 4. It is equation number 3. Now adding equation 1 and 3, because here the sign of coefficient are opposite, so here we add it. So adding 1 and 3 we get here 3x plus 4x, that is equal to 7x, and 10 plus 4 equal to 14, and y is cancelled out. So here x equal to 14 upon 7, that is equal to 2. Putting the value of x equal to 2 in equation 1, we have 3 into 2 plus 4y equal to 10. So 4y equal to 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. So y equal to 4 upon 4, which is equal to 1. So the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now by substitution method, here from equation 2 we have 2x equal to 2 plus 2y. So x equal to 1 plus y, dividing by 2, on both sides we have x equal to 1 plus y. Substituting this in equation 1, we have 3 into 1 plus y plus 4y equal to 10. So here 3 plus 3y plus 4y equal to 10. Here 3 plus 4y is 7y, that is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So y equal to 7 upon 7, which is equal to 1. Putting the value of y equal to 1 in equation 2, we have 2x minus 2 into 1 equal to 2. So 2x equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So x equal to 4 upon 2, which is equal to 2. Hence the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now in third part, equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Here for elimination method, we write the equation as 3x minus 5y equal to 4. Minus 4 on right hand side is plus 4. It is equation number 1. And similarly equation number 2 will be 9x minus 2y equal to 7. Here 2y is taken on the left hand side, will be minus 2. Now here for making the coefficient of one variable means x equal, we multiply equation 1 by 3. So we get here 3 3 ja 9x minus 15y equal to 3 4 ja 12. Let it be equation number 3. Now here subtracting equation number 3 from 2. So we have changed the sign of equation 3 here minus, and minus will be plus, here minus. So here equation 2 minus equation 3 will give 13y equal to minus 5. So y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we get 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13, that is equal to 4. So here 3x equal to 4 minus here plus, on right hand side it will be minus, and 5 5 is 25. So minus 25 upon 13. So here we get equal to 13 4 is 52 minus 25 upon 13, that is equal to 27 upon 13. So x equal to 27 upon 13 and into 1 upon 3. So here 3 9 is 27. So it will give 9 upon 13. Hence x equal to 9 upon 13 and y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Now by the substitution method, the equations are written as it is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. Now from equation 2, we have x equal to 2y plus 7 divided by 9. Substituting this value in equation 1, we have here 3 into x means 2y plus 7 upon 9. The minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So here 3 3 is 9, and by multiplying the equation by 3, we get here 3 is cancel out 2y plus 7 minus 3 5 is 15y minus 3 4 is 12, that is equal to 0. So here we get minus 15y plus 2y, that is minus 13y, and plus 7 minus 12 is minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 13y equal to 5. So y equal to minus 5 upon 13. Putting the value of y in equation 2, we get here the value of x equal to 9 upon 13. Hence the solution is x equal to 9 upon 13 and y equal to minus 5 upon 13. In fourth part, equations are x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1 and x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. By elimination method, x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1 is equation number 1 and x minus y upon 3 equal to 3 is equation number 2. Now multiplying equation 1 by 6, equation 1 into 6 will give here 3x plus 3 2 ja 6 means 2 2 ja 4. So 4y equal to minus 6. Then equation 2 is multiplied by 3 will give here 3x minus 3 is cancel out. So y equal to 3 3 ja 9. Now subtracting, we get here 3x and 3x is cancelled out, and 4y here minus will be plus sign, so it is added 5y, that is equal to minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. So y equal to minus 15 upon 5, that is equal to minus 3. Putting the value of y in equation 2, we have here x minus 3 upon 3, that is cancelled out, it is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus, that is plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 3. So x equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Hence the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. Now by substitution method, x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1, equation 1, and x minus y upon 3 equal to 3, equation 2. Now from equation 2 we have x equal to 3 plus y upon 3, that is equal to 9 plus y upon 3. Substituting this value in equation 1, we have half into 9 plus y upon 3 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1. Now multiplying both side by 6, we have here 9 plus y plus 3 2 is 6 means 2 2 is 4. 4y, that is equal to minus 6. So here we have 4y plus y, 5y equal to minus 6 and minus 9, that is equal to minus 15. So y equal to minus 15 upon 5, that is equal to minus 3. Putting the value of y in equation 2, we have x minus 3 upon 3 equal to 3. That is x plus 1 equal to 3. So x equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Hence the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. So here we have completed the all parts of question number 1. Now we will solve the all parts of question 2 in next video.